how to connect eBay to Printify. So here's what you want to do. First, sign into your Printify account, and then where it says my new store here, click on it, and then you will see an option to add a new store. Click on the plus sign. From here you will be able to see all of the different platforms, and for this we're just going to choose eBay. The store name, you need to set a store name for your eBay store, and you just click on connect here. Once you have done this, if you have an eBay account, you can either create a new eBay account, or if you have one, you click on continue. Now it's gonna sign us into eBay here, and you just agree and continue, and this is going to detect your eBay account as long as you're signed in. And if you have not registered for a seller account, you will need to do so. And if you already have a seller account, you will click on I register for a seller account, and then you will click on continue. If you need information or further help with any of these steps, you can see the frequently asked questions here right underneath the step itself. So once you have done this, you will click on continue again. You will then need to set up a payment method and confirm eBay's business policies and connect your accounts. And once you have done these 5 steps, then you will successfully have connected your Printify to eBay, and you can begin selling there. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.